And we're rolling for the first time in 2024.
Welcome to, we should say, our new subscribers. We have hit 10,000 subscribers. And if it wasn't for this community, we wouldn't be making these videos. So thank you very much. In this video, we're going to look back at 23. We've done 44 videos. There's 5 that we're going to isolate and just look back at the year. We've had a really good year in the sense that we've grown very well. If you're new, my name is Jaco. I'm a goldsmith for 30 plus years or something like that. And behind the camera, as per usual, is Damia. She's responsible for all this editing. The year started off with a bang. We got Rickster2344 contacting us, and he commissioned a platinum diamond gaming pendant. I mean, this is insane. This is the type of stuff that was not even thought about when we started this channel. People are watching the videos and they're asking us to do some things, and this was a fun job. When the next month came around, we had a construction of a sapphire ring. We had people asking us, again, this channel is steered by all of you, how to construct a ring like this, and we made a video on that. This one came out really, really crisp. I'm really proud of Damia and what she's done on that. The video is good. According to the views, you guys liked it as well. We got comments on that video. People needed to know how we did certain things, which led to the next video, how to construct the 3D plate. And we made a video on exactly how we created a plate like that. And that video is right here. Continue that same line to your common point, which will mean that once you spread it out like that, you have an exact same angle going around as you're going along. As time goes on, every single week, as you know, we post a video. Some of these videos are manufacturing, some of these videos are about the processes. Now we arrive at 2 videos that done extremely well. We've done a handmade clasp, a clasp completely made by hand. I've had some comments where people have said, why didn't you just buy a clasp? In context, there was no clasp in this size and in this material, so we made it. We've also done a signet ring, which is a staple in our work that we do as goldsmiths, and we've had people showing me their results, and that communication to show that people are actually watching it is what makes this channel live for us. We did videos on claw repair and maintenance. We've made cushion cut diamond rings. Remember, once a week we just pick something that comes through the workshop. So we've done another 3-stone diamond ring right here. And I remember, I try and take a different route with all of these things. We tend to be set in our ways, and it's interesting to see different people's perspectives. I've had a lot of feedback on this as well. September was a bit of a quiet month. I've had to go through to South Africa. I got COVID. We've had a year of 4 really big losses in our lives. But we carried on. We carried on because of the support we got from you guys, and because life is tough for everybody. Everybody carries something. If you're in that position, you're not alone. We're with you. We work a lot in platinum. A lot of people have asked us about working in platinum, so we did a whole video on working at platinum. We're still getting questions about working in platinum, Damia.
We always knew we were going to do a follow-up.
We do a lot of platinum work. We did some platinum videos. And then we got some questions about people saying, well, noticing the laser machine on the back of the workshop and asking questions about that. So what do we do, Damia?
Well, we took your questions to the professionals.
We went straight to the source, and we did these videos and interviews with Freeform Fabrication. We took those questions, posed it to them, and all your questions got answered. Hopefully.
Yeah.
If we've had questions about making tubes, we took that question and we made a tube. And the video is right here. We speak about everything in this workshop with regards to the workshop and the industry. Larger knuckles, no worries, we've done a video on that. The first video is on basic solutions with regards to dealing with larger knuckles, shapes and that kind of thing. Then we went into a video where we've actually made a clip ring which clips over the knuckle and closes again, and then we've made another video on a secondary clip of that type of solution with the ring opening up. We're doing our videos as we just carry on doing our thing as we do, as you see every week, and we were contacted by the Kiev Jewelry School. Turns out that their students watch our videos, and this is exactly, Damia, this is exactly why we do it. They asked us to be a part of the panel that judges the final pieces for the school, which was an incredible honor, and this is the video we did on that. I've got contacted by one of you guys, actually, one of our subs gave me a shout out and said, listen, he wants to do something really special for his dad. And when I say special, it means it goes deep. You know, this is the meaning behind this is 100% personal. I was so happy with the end result. I mean, on video it looks good, but if you hold this thing in hand and you're turning it around and it's got this gold glitter coming through, it was amazing. We did a ring for Jack, and Jack, again, thank you very much, and to your dad as well. Thank you very much for being part of this community. 24 is going to be very interesting. Join us on this journey. Subscribe, bell icon, like, comment. It's all been really helpful for the channel. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.